How to delete YouTube account on TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or delete your YouTube account from a smart TV, whether it's an LG, Samsung, Fire TV, or any Android TV. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Turn on your TV and open the YouTube app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to remove. Step 2. Go to your profile. Use your remote to go to the top left corner of the screen. Select your profile icon. Step 3. Navigate to Switch Account or Accounts. Scroll down and select Switch Account or Accounts, depending on your TV model. You'll see a list of signed-in accounts. Step 4. Remove the account. Highlight the account you want to delete. Select the option that says Remove Account or Sign Out. Confirm the removal when prompted. Important note: this doesn't delete your YouTube or Google account permanently. It only removes it from this TV. To permanently delete your Google account, you'll need to do it from a computer or phone via myaccount.google.com. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and how-to guides.